Wagwan people, welcome back. So, former Member of Parliament Jolyan Silvera leaving the Major Investigation Division in handcuffs to spend the night in jail. He is expected to be questioned tomorrow in relation to the murder of his wife, Melissa Silvera. So, that is Jolyan Silvera, my people. Yeah, man, he will be definitely spending the night in jail tonight, my people. As you can see, he left out in handcuffs, my people. So, right now, he is the main suspect in his wife murder case, my people. So, you know, say by tomorrow, them going to ask him some question. But my people, a lot of people say, yo, them feel like, see, how him do it. But he was trying to cover it up, my people, because when the body of his wife was supposed to be sent off, my people, if it wasn't for the police who ordered the autopsy, remember me tell her, we would actually know what go on, my people. But as I say, TVJ News released that footage of him leaving the major division, the major investigation division, my people. So as the news stated, he will definitely be spending the night in jail until tomorrow. So them gonna ask him some question tomorrow. So right there and then, my people, he will be accompanied by his lawyer tomorrow, because as I stated, they will be questioning him in the whole wife murder case, my people. As I say, you know, for them people in the parliament, them a commit the crime, them a people. Yeah, man, them a do the wickedness. Remember me tell you. Boy, on just might hear say you are goodly all him do it in about. As me say, investigation are going right now, and he will be spending the night in jail. So tomorrow I will definitely keeping all up to date. So subscribe to the channel if you are new.